Outgrow is a powerful tool that can completely transform how you generate leads in the healthcare industry. If you're in healthcare and looking to streamline your lead generation process, this video will show you exactly how to use Outgrow for healthcare lead generation in a quick and efficient way. Stick around because by the end, I'll share an exclusive offer to access Outgrow for free, with extra bonuses you won't find anywhere else. To start, Outgrow is a user-friendly platform designed to help businesses create interactive content that drives conversions. Think of it like a highly customizable quiz, calculator, survey, or recommendation tool that can collect data while engaging your audience. For healthcare lead generation, this means you can capture highly qualified leads by offering value in the form of personalized content. Let's dive into how it works. With Outgrow, you can build a health-related quiz or survey in minutes, no coding needed. Whether you're running a clinic, a medical practice, or a health-related service, you can ask your visitors key questions that help segment them based on their needs. For instance, you can create a quiz to assess health conditions, determine eligibility for certain treatments, or provide advice on wellness, all while collecting their contact information to follow up later. Outgrow's interactive tools help you segment your audience effectively. This is crucial in the healthcare industry, where different patients have different needs. By using personalized recommendations based on quiz results, you can send leads down specific marketing funnels that cater to their particular interests. This makes it more likely they'll convert into actual patients or customers. The beauty of using Outgrow for healthcare lead generation is that you can integrate it directly with your CRM and email marketing tools. This means when someone completes a quiz or survey, their data gets automatically sent to your system, ready for you to follow up with personalized messages. Outgrow offers integrations with tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and even Google Sheets, ensuring that you're able to nurture leads from the moment they engage with your content. But what about analytics? Outgrow tracks user responses and provides detailed reports that let you see how well your content is performing. This gives you valuable insights into what's working and where you might need to adjust your approach. Are users dropping off in certain sections of your quiz? Are certain recommendations generating more interest? The data is at your fingertips, helping you optimize your healthcare lead generation efforts over time. One of the most powerful features of Outgrow for healthcare lead generation is the ability to offer personalized results based on the user's answers. For example, if a potential patient is interested in a specific health treatment, you can provide tailored recommendations that speak directly to their needs. This not only improves user experience, but also increases the chances of conversion by offering something relevant. If you want to take your healthcare lead generation to the next level, Outgrow offers a robust set of customization options. You can adjust the look and feel of your quizzes and surveys to match your brand's colors and style. This helps build trust and ensure that your interactive content aligns with your overall marketing strategy. Now, before we wrap up, let me mention that you can start using Outgrow completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get an extended free trial along with exclusive bonuses. This is your chance to explore the platform without any commitment and see firsthand how it can revolutionize your lead generation efforts. To sum it up, Outgrow is a versatile and easy-to-use tool for healthcare businesses looking to generate more leads through personalized interactive content. From quizzes to surveys to calculators, you can engage potential patients while collecting valuable data that drives conversions. Don't forget, check the first link in the description for an extended free trial and exclusive bonuses to start using Outgrow today. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.